Hey guys, welcome back, man. So good to see you. Today we're coming to you from one of our trade collect and retail tile and bathroom specification showrooms. Why don't you pop along to our website and find a store near you, the link to which is going to be somewhere on the screen around me, and get down to your local store and have a chat with one of our colleagues in store. And if you're in the trade, let them know you're in the trade and they can offer you some fantastic enhanced discounts on the already fantastic prices that you're going to see in store. I want to thank you guys because over the last few weeks, we have had some phenomenal feedback on some of the videos that we've been presenting and bringing to you guys on different products that we've had and shown you guys. And my technical team out on the road are doing hundreds of one-on-one demonstrations, and we're doing hundreds of demonstrations in store in our demo areas. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Nicobond Plastic Ply. You're going to say to me, hey Sean, what's Nicobond Plastic Ply? Great, thanks for asking. Nicobond Plastic Ply is a timber floor reinforcing sheet, and it's made specifically tiling onto timber floors. So why don't we go in store and let me talk more about the product and give you a quick demonstration. Let's go inside, come on. Welcome in store, guys. Today we're looking at Nicobond Plastic Ply. We've grabbed one of the bays of the guys that are ready to tile here, and I've thrown some flooring grade chipboard on the floor, and I'm going to do a quick demonstration on the product to show you how easy it is to fit. So what is Plastic Ply? Plastic Ply comes as a 500 by 600 plastic sheet that's made from a specially formulated, unique, patented plastic. It comes in a grid formation like that, and it's only 2 mil thick. The benefit of 2 mil is I'm not creating a step up into my bathroom or my wet room or any timber floor that I'm tiling onto, as it's only 2 mil. It also comes with a really easy release paper that reveals a pressure sensitive contact adhesive. So it's a self-adhesive product. The alternatives to plastic ply, as I've mentioned, are acclimatized ply or tile backer board. Now you can imagine arriving at Mr. and Mrs. Smith's house or the property and trying to lug these massive sheets of timber up the stairs without damaging the hallway or the stairs or the bathroom or the photos. Whereas plastic ply, literally you'll grab a pack. There's 4 sheets in a pack, 1.2 square meters. You might need 3 or 4 packs to do a bathroom, literally under your arm, really easy to transport, really easy to work with. It's lightweight and there's no wastage. I'm going to show you how to get by that as well. Before I lay the plastic ply, I'm going to put a coat of primer down. So I'm going to use 1 part primer, 4 parts water, just paint it on the floor and let that dry. That's not for any cohesion of the product, it's purely to catch any leftover fines or particles that may be left on the floor. So when I lay it, it's laid to a solid, sound substrate. So once I've primed, I will then get my plastic ply, simply pull back the release paper. There's no need to template the room. Simply pull back the easy release paper, revealing the self-adhesive, pressure-sensitive contact adhesive, and start in the corner and lay my plastic ply. I then get my second sheet and do exactly the same, except I butt join them together. So there's no overlapping of the product. It's simply butt jointed against the previous sheet. All I'm using is a pair of domestic scissors, although I do recommend getting a pair of decent scissors if you're going to be doing a lot of it. Or if you haven't got scissors, just get a Stanley knife. You can simply score the product, bend it and crack it. It cracks really easy. As I said, the alternatives to plastic ply are a 15 mil acclimatized ply or a 10 mil tile backer board. Now both of those you're going to need to mechanically fix on your floor. You're going to need a template to make sure they fit in the bathroom properly. You're also going to need to seal the edges and make sure they're acclimatized. So what acclimatization means, it means that board needs to stand in the bathroom with inch gaps in between it for about 5 to 7 days until the relative humidity level of the board equates to the relative humidity level of the floor. Whereas with plastic ply, I can simply arrive on site, peel back the release paper, stick my plastic ply, and Bob's your uncle, start tiling. An average UK bathroom is about 2 meters by 2 meters. It takes me about 15-20 minutes with a cup of coffee to lay plastic ply across the entire bathroom floor. The reason why you have to lay plastic ply in a brick bond fashion is so that none of the joints coincide with the joints in your timber below, and so that you don't have any sort of vertical movement through the timber joints, through your plastic ply, and it disperses those movements. And that is really a 2 meters by 2 meter floor laid literally in about 5-10 minutes. The floor is really fast and really easy to lay. and it's ready for tiling almost immediately after finishing. When you fix onto a timber floor, if you're fixing again to British standard or NHBC guidelines, you have to use an S1 deformable adhesive. We manufacture several S1 adhesives. Today I'm going to be using our Nicobond Rapid Flex S1 to fix these tiles with. So I'm going to make a bed of adhesive now and just using the notch side of the adhesive at 45 degrees. I'm going to butt joint the tiles. Just tile them as normally using a leveling system using an S1 adhesive. It's as simple as that. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed it. As you've seen today, we've used plastic ply on a timber floor and it's been really easy to fit, really easy to work with, really easy to cut, really easy to fix. I've used an S1 adhesive today. I've used Rapid Flex with this product. We manufacture several S1s. Make sure when you're fitting plastic ply on any timber floor, you use an S1 deformable adhesive. If it's a large format tile, I would use our large format fiber flex, which is an S1, and we do a slow setting S1 as well. So get along to our depot, talk to your sales representative on the road, and we'll put you in touch with the right S1 for you. If you'd like a personal demo on plastic ply, please pop along to the links and one of our technical team will come out to you, bring the product and actually do a demonstration for you, with you, so you can actually use the product and get to feel it. Alternatively, I suggest popping into one of our local branches. The teams there have demo areas set aside especially for you, where you can come along and use the product, get to feel the product, stick it down, use an S1 adhesive on it, and for your own peace of mind, make sure you're happy with the product. Have a great day. Stay well.